So you can't go to Poland without doing a good fair few shots. So here we are. CJ, choose a shot.
Go with the red one.
You ready? 3, 2, 1.
Na zdrowie.
Shot. Sage? Is it delicious?
Yeah, the sauces anyway. I've not had a prawn yet, but I'll get cracking on that.
So as you can see, this is where Gdansk's history really comes to life. We're on the kind of shipyard bit of Gdansk, and it is just absolutely stunning. It's that time of day where all the buildings reflect in the water and it's just absolutely beautiful. I'll be honest with you, it is not the most accessible place I've ever been, especially this particular part, just because it's kind of keeping the heritage and the past, I guess, within the city. But it is absolutely beautiful, and there are definitely some really good accessible places to visit, places to eat, places to sleep, and we've definitely highlighted those in our write-ups with what we've been doing over the past few days. So Gdansk's definitely one of the most beautiful places I've been. Requires a bit of planning in terms of access, but it's definitely possible and thoroughly worth a visit.